In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn off voicemail notifications on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to turn off your voicemail notification settings, there's a couple of things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is open up the settings app and go into your keyboard, and then what you want to do is tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap onto settings. Okay, once you tap on this, you can scroll down and then you'll see voicemail. For me it says direct voicemail, so if I tap onto that, you can see that I can turn it on or off. And usually if you just have the voicemail feature, you'll see an option there that says turn off notifications for voicemail. Okay, but direct voicemail is a little bit different. And then what else you can do is you can open up your settings and then you can just search for voicemail and then scroll down and you're looking for tap onto voicemail, and there you'll see voicemail, so tap onto that and there you'll see notifications. You can tap onto notifications and you can disable the notifications for your voicemail right there. And that's what you can do to turn off your voicemail notifications. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.